Guys, my name's Kellen. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking grilled salmon, grilled pineapple, bell peppers and onions, and baked rice. It's a healthy meal. You can make it home, and it tastes good. Let's go. Pour 2 cups of brown rice into a ceramic cooking dish. Boil 3 cups of water. Once the water is boiling, pour it in with your rice. Be careful, because it's hot. Perfect. After your rice has been sitting in that water for a while, you want to take it and you want to drain all the water out into the sink. Once your rice is dry, you want to pour in vegetable broth and 1 stick of melted butter. So we're just gonna dump that in there. Perfect. Take some sort of mixing device, mix it around, mix that together. Make sure everything is nice and mixed, because you don't want it to be, not mixed. Look at that, everything is smooth. You want to make sure to get that bottom of the rice there. Everything's nice and together. So you got that. Cover it. And then preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Which has been preheating, as we talked about earlier. Do this nice and carefully, because ovens are hot. Smooth, perfect. Okay, so next up, we're gonna cut and wash our bell peppers. You're gonna throw that under the water there. Dry it off. Rag. And then wash it off. You wanna take it to your cutting board. You're gonna wanna get a slice on the top. Just go straight down. Perfect. Look at that. Smooth. You're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Cut. An incision is called on the cooking machines. That. Cut some of this excess off the center here. We want to be nice straight bars, because the cooking process will evenly distribute the heat across the pepper bars. So this process is going to refine the final product. Throw it in a cooking container. So next up, we're going to cut your onion. Start cutting off the top. Just like that. Slice the bottom. Perfectly. Do that. Peel over this layer. And look at that. So now you've got your nice symmetrical onion halves. You want to take those, using your knife, cut them into quarters. And then from there, now is take all of your veggies, mix them together. Next up, we got the salmon here. This one has already been done, but we're gonna do this one for the video for you guys at home. Okay, so first off, we're gonna take some olive oil and just kind of spread that on there. You're gonna work that into the salmon, because when you grill it, you don't want it to dry out or anything. Just make sure it's nice and covered. Flip it over. Smooth. Do the same thing on this side. Look at that. You just want to oil it down. This is olive oil. Olive oil is pretty healthy. For all the health benefits of olive oil, all the health benefits, just of fish. Perfect. Just want to lay that down. And then, as you can see here, this is a dry rub. You're gonna put this on this part of your salmon. Now, you don't want to like put not a lot of dry rub on it because that wouldn't taste very good. So we're gonna put a good amount, just a nice good amount to get a nice coverage. I'm gonna push this in, spread it nice and evenly, and you can use more, however much you feel is right. My name's Gordon Ramsay, and welcome to the grill. First off, you're going to put some olive oil, some of that dry rub on your veggies. Mix them up. You're going to throw your veggies onto your grill for 25 minutes at a heat of under 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Every 5 minutes, mix them up so everything is nice and cooked. And there you go. My name is Rachel Ray. And that's your dinner right there. Thank you for watching.